The velocity of the 2026 AI video market is exhausting. Every week brings a flood of new platforms, models, and updates, leaving creators completely overwhelmed by the noise. Video now accounts for 82% of all internet traffic, with YouTube Shorts alone pulling 70 billion daily views. This volume has shifted video from an optional marketing extra into the core infrastructure of how any digital business communicates. But right now, you are probably staring at lists of 50 different platforms, completely paralyzed by choice, because they all claim to do the exact same thing. The danger here isn't that you'll accidentally buy broken software. The real danger is paying a monthly subscription for a tool that completely misaligns with your daily output. Look at this table. It shows what happens when you force high-end software to do the wrong job. If your goal is a viral TikTok, but you use a rigid corporate avatar, you experience massive friction. Viewers scroll right past. Conversely, if your goal is training 1,000 employees across 3 time zones, rendering a photorealistic scene in Sora 2 is a massive, unnecessary overspend. To figure out exactly where to allocate your capital, we are going to divide the 2026 market into 3 distinct workflows. To get this right, you must match the software's architecture directly to your required content volume and to the trust level your audience requires. Let's start with our first group, the social optimizer. Your entire focus is generating a high volume of short-form content. This chart maps exactly how these tools scale. We plot effort and cost on the y-axis against production volume on the x-axis. For social optimizers, ideal tools live in the bottom right corner, delivering high volume for low effort, like OpusClip and Post Everywhere. If you use a clipping tool like OpusClip, the workflow requires a specific input. You feed the system a 45-minute podcast, webinar, or long-form interview. The software analyzes the conversation, extracts the most engaging moments, and generates a dozen vertical clips, complete with auto-framing and a predicted virality score. But there is a strict trade-off. If you do not already possess a massive backlog of long-form footage, clipping tools are completely useless to you. If you don't have footage, you need the alternative social stack, all-in-one generators like Post Everywhere. These platforms allow you to type a text prompt to generate video visuals, write your captions, and schedule the final post across TikTok, LinkedIn, and Instagram directly from one dashboard. The cost of that speed is your control. You have to sacrifice the ability to make granular, frame-by-frame edits to a timeline. You should only invest in the social optimizer stack if absolute publishing speed and feeding the algorithm matter more to you than bespoke craftsmanship. Our second persona is the enterprise scaler. Your priority is standardizing corporate knowledge and internal communications. Looking back at our map, enterprise tools sit right in the middle. They output high volume, but they require moderate effort to configure correctly. For this workflow, you don't use cameras at all. Your input is static documentation. You upload existing standard operating procedures, PDFs, or PowerPoint decks. Platforms like Lettuce instantly convert those uploaded documents into structured training modules, led by an AI avatar speaking in dozens of different languages. This removes the need to hire a camera crew, rent studio space, or pay for manual localization, which slashes traditional learning and development budgets by up to 90%. But look closely at the face. Even with the best rendering, there is an uncanny stiffness when these avatars attempt to simulate human empathy. That is the critical trade-off. If you use an AI avatar during a high-stakes moment where your audience expects authenticity, you will actively alienate them. Do not use these tools for a CEO announcement, a company-wide layoff, or a high-ticket sales pitch. It will destroy your trust with the audience. The enterprise stack is strictly for scaling dry, factual information. You must keep your human executives on camera to build actual company culture. Our final persona is the creative controller. You are the ad agencies and filmmakers who demand absolute, uncompromising visual fidelity. On the chart, the frontier models sit all the way in the top left. This territory requires maximum effort and high cost in exchange for low volume. The cinematic capability here is staggering. These models can pull complex physics, dynamic lighting, and hyper-detailed environments straight out of thin air. Sora 2 and Google Veo 3.1 now produce continuous 15 to 25-second photorealistic clips, fully equipped with synchronized native audio and dialogue. But you pay heavily for that realism. access can cost upwards of $200 a month. It is prohibitively expensive to use this tech for a daily social media post. You also have to endure severe operational friction. Getting one usable shot requires waiting in slow generation queues and burning through credits on trial-and-error text prompts. Budget alternatives do exist. Kling 3.0 offers 15-second multi-shot generation for as little as $7 a month. However, the trade-off for that low price tag is agonizingly slow server queues during peak hours and heavily restricted API access. The Frontier Stack gives you an entire production studio on your laptop, but you need deep pockets and immense technical patience to operate it. It is time to make your choice. You have to definitively pick the primary output for your workflow. What are you making? To extract social clips, choose the Social Stack, OpusClip, or CapCut. To convert documents to training videos, choose the Corporate Stack, Lita or Synthesia. For high-fidelity B-roll, choose the Frontier Stack, Sora 2 or Veo 3.1. When you successfully align your software tools with your actual daily output, the entire production process becomes a completely seamless pipeline. But if you invest outside of your specific lane, you guarantee daily frustration and wasted capital. Software architectures have hyper-specialized. You won't find a single platform that handles viral shorts, corporate training, and cinematic ads with the same level of efficiency. Do not blindly buy the tool with the most hype. Buy the software that specifically solves your most expensive bottleneck.